if you're not cleared this year's mains examination, now lot of self-doubts would have started. You'll feel like quitting. You'll feel as if you're wasting your time. You will feel whether next year again, whether you're going to clear or no. No, all these things I have also undergone. In fact, whenever I didn't clear my mains examination, I felt, oh, just we are wasting our time. Never we are going to clear again. However, I cleared this civil service examination twice. First I got IRTS, then IAS. Reason is, whenever I fell down, shamelessly I got up and started running. Having an Officers IAS Academy for last 12 years, I've seen so many candidates who are not cleared, who felt like quitting. Later, they come as toppers. So many examples I can give. So, don't worry. We at Officers IAS Academy will support you definitely. See, now the best thing is, immediately what I'll suggest is, strengthen till Jan 15. Strengthen your weak areas of mains. Then from Jan 15th till your prelims, yes, you should concentrate in prelims. We should not take prelims for granted. Now, after that, immediately, the day after the prelims, immediately start for the mains examination. So, don't think what will happen again. Winners don't quit. I did it. I shamelessly got up. Whenever I felt out, as I told you, I got up and started running. You also start running. We are there with you to support. See, we won't charge any fees from you. You can contact us in the number given in the description as well as in the end of the video. See, immediately you can start your test series. Now, mains, whichever your weak area, you can strengthen. And if you want our support, we'll also help you. Again, we'll put in a test series now, which is coming for the next year prelims. And after that, mains written, we can do it in a much better way. We are there to support you completely. So, don't feel let down. As I told you, winners don't quit. Just they get up and keep running. Once you get that service, after that, doesn't matter which attempt you got cleared. Whether first attempt, fourth attempt, doesn't matter. You're an IAS officer or you're an IPS officer. That is, that 3-letter term will take care of you. So, you're not going to write IAS, third attempt, IAS, fourth attempt, nothing like that. You're an IAS officer. You're an IPS officer once you clear. So, don't worry. Whatever support we are there to give you from Officers IAS Academy. As I told you, we won't charge any fees from you. So, immediately contact us. We are there for you. Thank you from Israel Jebasingh, the Director of Officers IAS Academy.